This plan's really important. It's going to shape our work for the next 3 years. It's also going to help us address the challenges we face. It's an increase in caseload and also how we work more flexibly in a post-pandemic era. The other thing that we're keen to do is make sure we're relevant for everybody, that we're accessible to everyone across Wales, and ensure we continue to use our new powers to improve public services. We've set out 4 strategic aims. The first one is that we will deliver justice with a positive impact for people and public services. The second aim is that we'll increase accessibility and inclusion. The third, that we'll expand our proactive improvement work. And the fourth aim is that we will ensure that we are a healthy, efficient and accountable organisation. It's really important we know we're focusing on the right things, because that's then what will shape our work programme, and it'll shape how we spend our resources, our finances, and where we deploy our staff to. So if we're not focusing on the right things, it's really important that you tell us about that, and we're really keen to hear your views. It's really easy for you to get in touch about your views. You can go onto our website, complete an online form, you can contact us by post, or if you're having trouble with any of those, just give us a call and share your opinions with us. We're also holding weekly online sessions, so you can join those chats as well, and it'd be great if you could do that. So I think finally I'd just say, try and get in touch with us if you can. If you can't, if you're having trouble, give us a call and we'll point you in the right direction. We really want to hear